Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. It has page been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is inner beauty. You look so beautiful on the inside because everything on the outside is starting to materialize. It's getting better, we're getting stronger. You're actually actually evolving, and you see that all your time was not meant in vain. It's all working for you. Nothing's working against you. Nothing's happening to you, but everything's happening for you because you put in the work. I opened my eyes and gazed and direct my gaze to the light into the being within me. Personality and physical appearance are in the image of man, and beauty, that's in the goodness and the image of God. The things that you have, you can't buy at the store. That energy, that positivity, that aura, that's going to attract your crowd and also help you create everything that you have put your mind to. Remember, look in the mirror, say, I'm beautiful, I'm strength, I'm strong, I am unstoppable. I'm an all-powerful being. All these things you are. Love yourself, love everybody else. Be kind to one another, and I'll see you next time.